Currency facts. The Indian currency is known as the rupee. The word rupee comes from the Sanskrit word rupaya, which denoted the stamped coins used in the ancient India. This symbol associated with the Indian rupee. Indian currency is made up of coins and notes known as bank notes. While the coins are minted by the Government of India, the bank notes are issued by the Reserve Bank of India (RBI). Addition by conversion. You are aware that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. It means 2 rupees are equal to 200 paise. 3 rupees are equal to 300 paise. 4 rupees are equal to 400 paise. And 5 rupees are equal to 500 paise. So, 1 rupee 25 paise is the same as 100 paise and 25 paise, that is 125 paise. By the same logic, 1 rupee 50 paise is equal to 150 paise. 1 rupee 75 paise may also be represented as 175 paise, and 2 rupees 75 paise is equal to 275 paise. Let us add 2 rupees 50 paise and 3 rupees 50 paise. 2 rupees 50 paise is equal to 250 paise. 3 rupees 50 paise is equal to 350 paise. So, we add 250 and 350 paise, which is equal to 600 paise. We now add 4 rupees 25 paise and 5 rupees. 4 rupees 25 paise is equal to 425 paise. 5 rupees is equal to 500 paise. So we add 425 and 500, which is equal to 925 paise. Addition without conversion. We can write 25 paise as 25p. In the same way, we can write 50 paise as 50p and 75 paise as 75p. We can write 1 rupee as rupee 1. In the same way, 2 rupees can be written as rupees 2, 3 rupees can be written as rupees 3, 4 rupees as rupees 4, and so on. Now we can write 1 rupee 25 paise as rupee 1.25p, 2 rupees 50 paise as rupees 2.50p, 3 rupees 75 paise as rupees 3.75p, and 10 rupees 10 paise as rupees 10.10p. Let us now perform additions without any conversions. Let's add 6 rupees 25 paise and 2 rupees 50 paise. First, write 6 rupees 25 paise as rupees 6.25p. Just below it, write 2 rupees 50 paise rupees 2.50p in such a way that the rupee part falls in the rupee column and paise part falls in the paise column. Step 1. Add the numbers in the paise column. 25 plus 50 is equal to 75. Write 75 in the paise column. Step 2. Add the numbers in the rupees column. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Write 8 in the rupees column. The result of the addition is 8 rupees 75 paise. Now take another example. Add 45 rupees 50 paise and 20 rupees 50 paise. Step 1. Add the number in the paise column as 50 plus 50, which is equal to 100 paise. We know that 100 paise is equal to rupee 1. So, write 2 zeros in the paise column and carry forward 1 to the rupee column. Step 2. Add the numbers in the rupees column. 1 plus 45 plus 20 is equal to rupees 66. Write 66 in the rupees column. So, the answer is 66 rupees. Subtraction by conversion. Ravina gets 9 rupees 50 paise from her mother as pocket money. She spends 5 rupees and 50 paise on toffees. What is the pocket money left with her? Let's take a look. 9 rupees 50 paise means 950 paise and 5 rupees 50 paise means 550 paise. Write 550 paise under 950 paise. Now subtract them. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Write 0 under 0, 0 column. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Write 0 under 5, 5 column. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Write 4 under 9, 5 column. So the amount left with Ravina is 400 paise, that is 4 rupees. Subtraction without conversion. Let's learn how to subtract 5 rupees 25 paise from 8 rupees 75 paise. Note here, write 8 rupees 75 paise as rupees 8.75 paise. Then write 5 rupees 25 paise as rupees 5.25 paise under it in such a way that the rupee part falls in the rupee column and paise part falls in the paise column. Subtract 25 from 75 to get 50. Write 50 in the paise column. Subtract 5 from 8 to get 3. Write 3 in the rupee column, so the answer is 3 rupees 50 paise. Bill. Do you know what a bill is? Bill is a piece of paper which contains details of all the purchases made by you from a shop. The details include the names of the items purchased, their costs, and the total. Making bill. Now we will learn how to make a bill. Ramita bought 2 pencils, 2 toffees, 1 ball, and a book. Prepare a bill for Ramita. Make 4 columns. Item, rate per item, rupees and paise. Under the item column, write the names of the different items purchased. Under the rate per item column, write 2 rupees, 1 rupee 25 paise, 5 rupees and 10 rupees against pencil, toffees, ball and book. 2 pencils cost 4 rupees, so write 4 in the rupees column and 00 in the paise column. 2 toffees cost 2 rupees 50 paise, so write 2 in the rupee column and 50 in the paise column. 1 ball costs 5 rupees, so write 5 in the rupees column and 00 in the paise column. 1 book costs 10 rupees, so write 10 in the rupees column and 00 in the paise column. Add numbers in the paise column. Add 00 plus 50 plus 00 plus 00, which is equal to 50 paise. Add the numbers in the rupees column. Add 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 10, which is equal to 21 rupees. Make a new row. Write total in this row under the rate per item column. Write 21 rupees in the rupees column. Write 50 paise in the paise column. The bill is ready. Ramita has to pay rupees 21 and 50 paise to the shopkeeper for her purchases. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Addition of money with and without conversion. Subtraction of money with and without conversion. And preparing of a bill.